everyone, this is Meena Vijay Pense and let's see what September 2020 has in store for the sun sign Virgo. For this month of September 2020, the sun sign Virgos will experience that it's not that the month is excessively busy, but somehow you are going to be pulled in different directions for a lot of activities, due to which you might actually feel a little bit confused within yourself. You might be sensing a lot of shortage of time and a lot of things to do, and I think time management is the key. So if this month, if you want things to work out for yourself, see to it that your time management and discipline is absolutely maintained, so that you can navigate the upcoming month very, very smoothly. When it comes to matters of work, this month is going to be quite refreshing and a healing kind of a month. If in case that the last month that went by was very, very hodgepodge for you, or like too much of chaos and confusion around, this month is going to get in a lot of clarity at your workspace. So things at your workspace will start to, let's say, settle down. There will be a little easy-going smoothness in the way things will function at your workspace. And if you've been feeling exasperated last month or a little bit tired at your workspace, September 2020 is the month where things are finally going to be settling down at your workspace, and you'll feel basically a little bit more relaxed than comparatively to the last month. In the matters of finances, somehow this month could be a little bit worrisome because somehow things will happen in at the last minute, and you might just sense that last minute unexpected financial crunch, which is going to make you feel a little bit more worried. Not that the finances will not be arranged. Eventually, as the month progresses, you will see that the finances are definitely being arranged, but then the stress of managing that is going to get to you. So what this month asks you to understand and reflect on is understand the way you are handling your money and you're spending them, because somewhere something needs to be thought upon and reconsidered. So you need to understand and reconsider your spending patterns. Also, the way you invest your money and you spend them, is something seems to be amiss. So you need to retrospect that, understand that, so that it makes you sort out your finances much more better. In matters of relationship, this month is going to be a month where either you or your partner, either of y'all could put your defenses down. So what happens is this month becomes a little bit more easy to handle communication wise. Also, the card suggests that you have to understand whether is finances a cause of concern within the relationship. Sometimes you might be in favor of spending money for a particular cause or a reason, and your let's say your partner is not okay with it. So there can be financial disagreements between you and your partner, which could be a little bit of a cause of concern within the relationship. So check whether, for this month of September 2020, just check within your relationship whether financial compatibility is properly discussed and understood between both the partners. When it comes to your health, emotionally you could be feeling a little bit down. This is because what's going to happen is the entire month is going to be pulling you in different directions, which might make you feel very mentally exhausted. And exhausted on a mental level is the word, due to which emotionally you might feel a little down and out. So ideally, drink a lot of water. Please hydrate yourself nicely from time to time, and see to it that your sleep patterns are taken care of, because for this month there's quite a possibility that you might not be able to catch up on some good sleep, or your sleep will be light. It would not be as deep as it is supposed to be, leaving you a little bit irritated. So that is some way that you need to pay attention when it comes to your health. Wishing you a very beautiful and a very blessed month ahead.